Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Homeland. Homeland means person's or people's native land. For example, I could finally go back to my homeland. I could finally go back to my homeland. Synonyms: native land, native country, country of origin.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Asylum seekers cannot call upon their homelands for protection. Now, repeat after me. Asylum seekers cannot call upon their homelands for protection. The second exemplar. Everyone should work hard for their homeland, society and country. Now, repeat after me. Everyone should work hard for their homeland, society and country. The third exemplar. The Iraqi community in Canada is restoring links with its homeland. Now, repeat after me. The Iraqi community in Canada is restoring links with its homeland.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Scraunched is the longest English word with one syllable, along with the archaic word, strengthened. Scraunch is the sound your car makes on gravel.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.